Hello, I got a package today and I'm going to do a open box unboxing and see what kind. Hopefully this is the pinball machine. I got a old pinball machine, maybe like 5 or 6 years old. I'm not sure, but this is like an antique type of pinball machine made out of metal. And let's open it up. It's a pinball machine made in the old time. It's more like an antique than anything. And it's supposed to have music when you put quarter in it. A lot of packaging. Okay. I'll go trash. Alright. Hopefully this one is gonna be they say it's kinda mint new. Like look, it's like pretty new to it. Say that I got this from eBay and it didn't say anything bad or broken or anything, or it didn't say have scratches either. So hopefully I will not be disappointed. But you never know, you know, when you buy stuff from eBay used, sometimes you do get a disappointment. Let's see, thank you for purchasing. We look forward to doing business with you again, eBay. Okay, a bunch of newspaper, more trash for me, recycle trash. Okay, let's see if anything else in there. Alright, nothing else. Alright, so let's go to the trash. I got a new joystick just came in and I thought it was this, and that joystick, it is real bad. It have scratches already on the ball, and it's supposed to be it says a somewhat China version of it, but it looked more like a trash version of it than anything. I mean, yeah, thing doesn't look that good. It comes with 10 buttons. Alright, this is the moment of the truth. Let's see how good this is. It's made out of metal and it looks pretty cool so far. Wow. It looks clean. It's not too bad. A little bit of dirt there. Okay. It looks beautiful. Have a Coca-Cola on it. So it looks nice. Front view. It's supposed to take battery. So, wow, two type of battery. Oh, this one just empty hole. This one where you put the quarter in and you could get your quarter out. So this one is the battery component. So this condition is very good. I need AA battery. Alright. I'll be right back with the battery. Okay, I am back. Hey, the pinball is right there. That's weird. It's pinball. So it doesn't go anywhere, it's just one pinball. Interesting. Okay, and let's go ahead and put the pinball in. I mean, not pinball, the battery. AA battery. 1, 2. So it doesn't use the power, so you have to use the battery. I hope it doesn't drain batteries too quick. Because I know sometimes old device, they tend to drain battery a lot quicker than other stuff. Alright. Alright, let's put some. So it doesn't count any. That's just a fake number, so it doesn't calculate your number at all. And there's no on and off switch. So you just so the ball is right there. Let me see if I put a quarter in and see if there is any music going through. There's a quarter thing in here. So you cannot adjust the sound. I hope I don't get flagged for Coca-Cola music thing. Sometimes we are hard to do copyright of the music because you okay, so that's it. The game doesn't really do anything. You just, when you put something in, it make a music. Let's see if let's test the music again, see if it works. Okay. I cannot have the music too long because I'll get flagged by the YouTube. So the only way I could get this back is to pretty much like this. I have to go like this to bring it back out. Wow, that's kind of suck. Sorry my language, but yeah, it doesn't really come back to here. Okay, let's try. Oh, so it does make a noise when you do that. Okay, let me see if I could zoom in and then aim it down more. Okay, so let's do it this way. Let's make it so I can see it as well as you can. Okay, so you can shoot the ball, so you lift it up and let the ball drop back down this way, which is kind of sad that okay, all right, so you shoot it. Where'd it go? Did I lost the ball? Okay, no. Okay, so make noise when you push this thing right here, which that's good. Well, I went down real quick. One thing is, when you pushing this, it tends to tilt, which it doesn't have the feet to this thing right here. It doesn't really hold it that well. I really don't know what this is for. There's a little piece of metal that doesn't do anything. So I guess it tends to wobble left and right. So you shoot. You already died already. Really? But it's kind of neat is that the thing is this is plastic, but this is all metal. Well, yeah, aluminum, whatever you want to call it. It's made out of metal, so it's kind of cool. This is made out of metal too. The button is, and the back is plastic. It's not made out of metal. And he say made in China. So it is made by China. Barcode still look good. No, the system still look pretty new. It doesn't look like they just probably just put it there for NT looking. It's not really that playful. Then you shoot. Lost it already. doesn't keep score, so you really defeat the purpose of playing it because you don't know if you're doing good or not. It defeats the purpose of playing because there's no score keeping. The score is a permanent sticker that doesn't change. Okay. Wow. So if you could get it for $20, it's probably my worth it. But when I pay for $42, so but yeah, it's very hard to find. You know, this antique stuff. It's a Coca-Cola. So I think some people are trying to sell it for like now there's a bigger one that it is an $800 machine, and that one it does actually play. This one is a mini version of it, and it has sound and music but doesn't really play. So when you put quarter in, it doesn't have an LED light or anything that going through this system, only the music. It'd be nice if they have the LED light, you know, make it look more cool. And so yeah, all right, that's my review. This is the plunger is just a spring between it, spring in there. You can see the spring. It just that's about it. It's not really anything special about it. Okay, yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. And does have music, so you could put anything in here. Oh, the dime is too small. No music. So there's all your money. Put your quarter in. Huh, now the music doesn't work no more. Let me close it again. That's interesting. Maybe I need to put the ball on this side. Well, the music stopped working. It's broken. Music doesn't work no more. That is ridiculous. Really? Yeah, music is broken. I'm telling you, the battery is dead already. Yeah, the battery is dead. Wow. Really? Yeah, music's dead. Music is malfunctioning. It doesn't work no more. Music is dead. Yep, music is dead. Oh well. So that's my review. This thing originally was working with the music only twice, and then now it doesn't work no more. So I don't know what is the problem with it. Yep, doesn't work no more. Let me try again. Press the button at the bottom. I don't know that. The metal, that's just a metal. It doesn't do nothing. Yeah. Let me see if I take the battery out. Maybe reset it. All right. Wow, that's crazy. I have to take the battery out in order for it to work. So, yeah. So, yeah, you cannot. You gotta take the battery out and put it back in to make it work. So, yeah, it's kind of weird. All right, thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.